Korean fried chicken. Oh, how we have come to love all the new flavors since moving to Central Illinois 3 years ago. But all of the restaurants closed last year because of COVID, some for good. We went without for a while. We had no other choice. But then I figured out a way to make that wonderful spicy fried chicken again. On the back porch. Okay, we live in Urbana-Champaign, the home of the University of Illinois. There's lots of international students coming here, and there are many restaurants that cater to their needs. We used to love going down to Campus Town and visiting the different restaurants down there. One of our favorite places was BBQ Chicken, #1 premium Korean fried chicken, but then they closed. And another one is Cravings. We used to eat there all the time, and the owner used to say, "Hey, here comes Spicy Man," when I walked in the door, because I always used to love my dishes really spicy from them. But then when COVID hit, we had to stop going down to Campus Town. And we went quite a while without having any kind of spicy fried chicken or any of those international foods. I had to find a way to get Korean fried chicken again, and I knew that I was going to have to be the one to make it. So I found a decent recipe, made a few, little revisions to it. I think it comes out pretty good. But can my Korean fried chicken stand up to that, what we used to find in Campus Town? Let's see. Okay, so the first step in getting everything ready is cutting up the chicken. We're using chicken thighs, and we have become big converts on the chicken thighs thing. So all we need to do, I take them, they're still partially frozen, they're easier to cut that way. Just cut them down into bite-sized pieces. Okay, so now that we have the chicken all cut up, it's time to put salt and pepper on. Nice liberal amount. And a little bit more salt, because we can. Then we take this, and we mix it up. Mix it up all real good. Next, cornstarch. Give it a nice coating of cornstarch. And we'll also add panko. Gives it that nice crunch. Okay, we mix this up. Make sure everything is coated really, really well. And now it is ready to go in the deep fryer. Okay, so now we add the chicken to the fryer, and we don't put it all in because it will overcrowd and it will drop the temperature down in the oil big time. So we'll do it in 2 batches. Look at that, clean oil, it's a beautiful thing. All right, now we'll come back in 8 minutes, we'll swap that out and we'll put in the next one. Okay, now we are going to make the sauce that is going to make this chicken unbelievably good. We start off with gochujang, Korean hot pepper paste. You can get this You know, if you don't have it at your local grocery store, you can get it at that one place online. Put 2 nice, big, fat tablespoons of this stuff. A nice big sploosh of soy sauce, around the same, around 2 tablespoons worth. A dash of sesame oil. You don't want to put anything more than a dash because it will ruin it, but boy, that little dash will make it so good. And that's more than enough. Two tablespoons of honey. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And 2 nice big fat cloves of garlic. Then we mix this stuff up. Get all that good garlic in there. That stuff is fire. It does not need to be cooked. It does not need to be heated up. We just set it off to the side, then we'll put it on the chicken when the chicken is done. Okay, we are ready to take batch number 1 out. Let it drain for a minute. And then you set it on the tray. And it is not pretty now. Okay, this big old chunk will have to be broken up. I'll do that. Now we put the other batch in. Now let me break up these chunks here. Ouch, 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 ouch. Hot, 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 hot. They said they're not pretty now, but oh my goodness, will they ever be a little bit later on. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, the second batch is done, so we're gonna take that out. We gotta leave that sit for a second to let it drain. Then we gotta crank it up to 365 for the second batch. This chicken gets fried twice. Okay, and then I'll do batch number 2, and then we'll come back and we'll put the sauce on it and we'll finish it up. Okay guys, turning off the deep fryer, taking off the lid, lifting it up to drain for a minute. Okay, now we will transfer the chicken to the mixing bowl. Put this back in here. Let's take some of the sauce and go like this. Now we'll mix that up. We'll probably need to add more sauce. Hear that crunch? Yum, yum crunchiness. Yep, let's add some more sauce. Come on, you. Okay, now we take the chicken, put it in the fry pan, make it all pretty. See if we can. This is a smaller batch than what I usually make, but I usually end up making too much, so this time, maybe not quite enough, but we'll see. Now, we add some sesame seed to it, and we garnish it with green onions. And look how pretty that is. But is my Korean fiery hot chicken as good as that we could get in Campus Town? Have to do a taste test. The moment of truth, guys. Once again, it looks really good. A lot better than when it first came out of the deep fryer, even I have to admit that, but what's it gonna be like? Here we go. Oh, crunch. Mmm. 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 Mm. 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 Oh. Mm. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Ooh, spicy, 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 but oh, so darn good. The gochujang just makes this stuff pop. That little bit of sesame oil and the honey. This stuff is so crunchy, so hot, so good. And the only time-consuming part of it is when it's in the deep fryer. Otherwise, this is just as simple can be. Go ahead and make yourself some Korean spicy chicken and have a good time with it. And you too will start sweating like I am. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 One more and then I'm going to drink a gallon of tea. Oh God. Oh. I can feel the sweat beating up. That means it's perfect. Go make yourself some Korean spicy chicken. Out of here.